Hi there, Dave Doggett here for 8 Essential Steps to Internet Success. And this is my domain name tutorial. And basically what I'm going to do here is just give you a brief overview of where you should go to get a domain, how you go about registering it or finding one and then registering it, which will lead us into the next tutorial, which will cover some other issues. So basically, as you progress through the ebook that I've got available, 8 Essential Steps for Internet Success, one of the sections, one of the early sections, deals with domain names. And so what you can do is below this video, you can click on the register domain or register domains link, which will take you to GoDaddy. And GoDaddy is just the domain registrar of my preference. Over the years, I've probably registered several hundred domains through GoDaddy. So when you get here, it's going to look something like this. And if you don't have an account already, you can click this Create an Account link. If you already have an account, you can click here to log in to your account. So they've got lots of things available. I mean, their main thing is domain names, but they also have web hosting and even some web design services. I would personally recommend that you use them for your domain name and possibly your hosting, although I personally have another hosting preference that I'll cover in another tutorial. So let's just focus on a domain name. So let's assume that you've had some time to put some serious thought into what domain name you want, and you're going to search for it here. So let's just say that you're going to want, I'm going to put in 8 essential. That's a terrible example. There is a domain name that I plan on getting, so I'm going to use that. And it's this, entrepodcast.com. And that's a domain name that I've wanted for a while. I'm hoping to put together an entrepreneur-based podcast audio show. I'm not sure how often I will publish to it, but anyway, that's a domain name I've had my eye on for a while now. So let's see if it's available. I'm going to click search. And sure enough, congratulations, entrepodcast.com is available. Snap it up before someone else does. So I can click add that to my cart. And as I mentioned in the ebook, one of the things I talk about is how domain registrars tend to urge you to register multiple domain extensions. So right off the bat, because this recognizes that I am in Canada, it's going to say, hey, Canadian shoppers, click here to add your domain name .ca to your list. And hey, while you're at it, why not get .net, .org, .info? And they do give you some good deals, on bulk domain purchases, but most of the time I just get the top level domain I can get, as I mentioned in the ebook. So in this case, .com. So it's as simple as adding that to the cart and then continuing to the checkout. Now, when you get to the checkout, it will give you the opportunity to apply coupon codes. And with any luck, I've provided a link to some coupon codes below this video that might save you a few bucks on your purchase. So that's pretty much it as far as registering a domain name. And when you create your account, you put in all your personal info, your email address, payment preference, all that stuff, so that when you check out, you get an email says, congratulations, here's the domain name you purchased, here's how you paid for it, you can print a receipt, and all that stuff. So that is, in a nutshell, how to register a domain name. And that will conclude this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching.